How to find a song used in a YouTube video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube and then click on the video you want to find song of. At the bottom, you'll find description of the video. Sometimes the user might add the video's songs. You'll find it in the descriptions. If you don't find it in the descriptions, what you can do is open new tab of the Chrome. After you have opened new tab, type in Shazam browser extension and click on Identify, Listen and Discover Songs, and then click on Chrome extension and add it as your extension. And if you play YouTube video and turn this on, you'll be able to find. Another way is search audio tag and click on audio tag. You'll be able to recognize songs from various topics. I'll simply so by entering the link, click on enter link and then paste the video's link and then press on start recognition, and then it will recognize the sound and then give you the result at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. You can also find another way, which is Midomi. Search midomi.com and then click on midomi.com, and in here simply download the SoundHound AI and you'll be able to find which YouTube video sound they are using. This is how to find a song used in a YouTube video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.